Hello everyone, welcome to the test 1 of Aptitude. So see, what should be the goal behind giving a text? In the test, you will try your level best, correct? And see, you will improve with this test. And in the next years of GATE exam, anything can happen. So the question type can be anything, anything can happen. So I am trying to cover every type possible. Okay. Yes. So that you can score 15 out of 15 in aptitude. Correct? Yes. So give your best. Okay. It's very important. Give your best. Okay. So let's start with the solutions and you will get to know what is the wrong you are doing. Okay. Yes. So this is our test 1. So there are some instructions. Total time is 60 minutes. Total time is 60 minutes. Total questions 25. Total marks to 50. Means to say every question is 2 marks. And there will be negative marking for sure because it is you are preparing for GATE exam. Correct. Answer all the possible options. This is very important. Answer all the possible options means every question can be MCQ or MSQ. You have to be very careful. Okay. Yes. Now, let's see the question. Let's see. Father is aged 3 times more than his son Rohit. So here a lot of students can do one mistake. They can write, so father is 3 times Rohit. Is this correct? How many of you did this? Is this correct? No. Why? Let's see. Father is aged 3 times more than his son Rohit. Okay. Suppose Rohit's age is 2. So father's age is 3 times of Rohit's age more than Rohit's age. 3 cross 2. This is 3 times more than Rohit's age. Rohit's age is already there. Okay. So father's age is Rohit's age plus 3 times of his son's age, of Rohit's age. So that's it. That's what it is written. It's very important. Many of the students must have done the mistake here. I can understand. Because this is tricky part in this question. Okay. Read properly. Father is aged 3 times more than his son Rohit. So father's age is 3 times more than his son Rohit. So father's age is Rohit's age plus 3 times of Rohit's age. Okay. Let Rohit's age is equal to X. So father's age is Rohit's age plus father is aged 3 times more than his son. Due to this more than means to say addition, not multiplications. Father's age is Rohit's age plus 3 times of Rohit's age. So father's age is 4 times of Rohit's age. Very important. Read. Father is aged 3 times more than his son Rohit. 3 times of Rohit's age only, more than his son's Rohit. Means father is Rohit's age plus 3 times of Rohit's age. I hope you are able to understand. If you face any kind of difficulty in understanding this, please let me know in the group. I will surely help you. Okay, yes. Now let's see next. After 8 years, let father's age is F. Rohit's age is X. After 8 years, father's age will be, after 8 years, father's age will be F plus 8. Or Rohit's age will be after 8 years, x plus 8. Correct? Now, after 8 years, he would be 2.5 times of Rohit's age. Means after 8 years, father's age, which is f plus 8, is 2.5 of Rohit's age. Rohit's age after 8 years is x plus 8. Very important. Here, students can do the mistake. If they won't realize after 8 years, their age will be this much. This is their present age. Very important. Students can do this mistake. Most of the students do these kind of mistakes. Okay, very important. Now let's solve this. Here, I want to find out. See, I am having two equations. Here, f is equal to 4x and f plus this one. I can use both and get. After further 8 years, how many times would be of Rohit's age? So basically, I want to have the father's age and Rohit's age. Now let's solve this and find. Father is 4 times of x. 4x plus 8 is equal to. So this is fraction. How to solve this? This will be multiplied, this will be addition. 2 cross 2 plus 1 upon 2. Denominator is same. Okay. A, B to the power C will be C cross A plus B upon C. So this is the formula to solve this fraction. Mixed fraction, this is called. Correct? So this is 2 cross 2, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 into x plus 8. 4x plus 8 is equal to 5 by 2 into x plus 8. So let's multiply. This will be 8x plus 16 is equal to 5x plus 40. 3x is equal to 24. X is equal to 8. So present age of Rohit is 8. So present age of father is 32. These are present age. So after further 8 years. After further 8 years means this is present age. Initially I did plus 8. After further 8 means 16. Plus 16 years of age. After 16 years of age, father's age will be f plus 16. Son Rohit's age will be x plus 16. So I want father's age, which is f plus 16, divided by Rohit's age, x plus 16. After further 8 years means to say 8 plus is 16. I hope you are able to understand. Okay. Now, father's age is 32 plus 16. And here Rohit's is age 8 plus 16. Very important. And this is 2. Yeah, 2 times. Done. So let's go to next question. Very bad. Very bad, you know. Very bad. Ma'am, what happened? I have solved the question. My dear friends, what you have to do? Answer all the possible options. In this type of questions, answer all the possible options. There can be more than one answer. Please check all the options. Only do elimination of options technique here. Okay. Elimination of options. Very important. Let's see. 2 times is answer. 3 times can't be. 6 times can't be. Only one option is correct. Yes. This is correct, na? Because out of the above option, only one option is correct. Correct. Correct? Yes. So this is how you should think. Okay. See, this particular thing I added so that you can understand this thing. Okay. These things are very important, my dear friends. Please, please, please. It's very important if you are able to do the question properly. Please don't do these mistakes. Okay. Elimination of options. Please don't do these mistakes. The focus behind telling you this is, please check every option. Okay. Suppose there are 2 options. Option 1, option 2. Okay. And you find out this is correct. But when you read the option 2, you realize this is more correct than option 1. Very important to read all the options. Read all the options and do the elimination technique. And do elimination technique. Very important, my dear friends. See, I say you my friends. And in the friends, we can ask the questions. Correct? You can ask me question. It's very important. Remember your dream. IIT, IISc, PSU. You want that now? You have to ask me questions. I will surely help you. We can discuss. It's very important. While discussing, while asking the questions, you will learn a lot. I will also learn. So that's why. Okay. Always remember to your final goal. I will definitely go to IIT like this. I will do it. Very important. Okay. Yes. Let's see the next question. One morning, very important here, morning. Ritika and Sachin were talking to each other face to face at a crossing. So this is Ritika and this is Sachin. And both are talking face to face. Let's suppose Ritika is seeing this side and Sachin is seeing this side, face to face. So this is Ritika, this is Sachin, this is face to face. Okay. If Sachin's shadow, very important here, morning. In the morning, sun rises from the east. So shadow will be in the west. Very important. In morning, sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. So shadow will be in south. West. Very good. Right. Shadow will be in west. Shadow will be in west. Correct? Yes. Correct? Yes. Now, if Sachin's shadow was exactly to the left of Ritika, think like this. Ritika is here, like this. Okay. So this is Ritika's right and this is Ritika's left. So this is Ritika's right and this is left. So here is shadow. And in the morning, sun rises in the east and shadow in the west. So this is west. If this is west, opposite to west is east. Now think like this. North, south, east, west. Let me just move it by 90 degrees. So it will be east, west. Yes, it matches. North, south. So this direction is north and this direction is south. South, north. Correct? I hope you are able to understand this, right? Yes. If Sachin's shadow was exactly to the left of Ritika, which direction was Ritika facing? This is north. So Ritika is facing north. Correct? Very important. North. Correct? Let's go to next question. Oh, man. You only told us we have to check all the options. So please do it. North, yes. North is no. Opposite to south. Opposite to south is north. So this is also saying north only. Very important. So there are two options correct. West, no. Okay, very important. My dear friends, these kind of things, you are doing the mistakes maybe. Please be careful, okay? Yes. Now, let's see our question number 3. A is in the east of B. Correct? This is north, south, east, west. So A is in the east of B. B. What is the east of B? B is east. A. This is A. A is in the east of B. A is in the east of B. Correct. Now, A is in the east of B, which is in the south of C. So it is telling about B. B is in the south of C. So B is in the, so this is C. This is the, so B which is in the north of C. C, this is north of C. B is in the north of C. Correct. Now how to do it? Think like this. B is in the north of C. So it will be like C is in south of B. You can do the opposite. C is in south of B. Yes, C is in south of B. D is in the south of C. South of C is this, D. Then in which direction of A? In which direction of A? This is north, this is south, this is east, west. In which direction of A is D? This is which direction? This is southwest. Southwest. Yes, option is C. Southwest. Ma'am, we have to do the elimination of options. No, no, no. So this is how you should think. Correct? Yes, very important. These kind of things are very important. Please, please, please be careful. Right? Yes. This is the easy question, but student can do mistake if they are not able to interpret it. A is in the east of B. Means B is in the west of A. See, opposite to north is south. Opposite to east is west. Correct? Very important. These things are very important, my dear friends. Now, let's see. If southeast becomes north, let's see. So, this is north, south, sorry. North and south are opposite. North, south, east, west. Okay. Southeast. Which is southeast? This one. If southeast becomes north, this is southeast, and this southeast becomes north. What is opposite to north? South. So this will be south. Correct? Northeast becomes west. This is northeast, it becomes west. So what will be this? Opposite to west is east. Correct? Yes. And so on. Like this it is happening. What will west become? This is west. This is what? This is between this. This is southeast. So this is southeast. Very important. See, these questions are very easy, but you have to interpret these questions very nicely. So this is southeast. Is this an option? This is not an answer. No. None of these. Let's see the fourth option for this. Opposite to northwest. So what is this? This is northwest. Opposite to this is going in this direction. Opposite to this is this direction. This is southeast. Correct. This is the answer. Very important. Be very careful about the options. Okay. See, I'm not trying to confuse you. I want to make you learn the things so that you won't be confused in the GATE exam. Okay. Once my teacher told us, it's better to practice double standard things before the exam than in the exam, regretting in the exam. Okay. That's why I want you to understand these things. Okay. Yes. Now, let's see this question. I hope you are able to understand and you are enjoying. If you face any kind of difficulty, do let me know. I will surely help you. Okay. With the test, always have an aim. What should be aim of the test? Aim of the test. Learn and improve. Okay. Learn and improve. In this test, figure out what are the mistakes you did and try to improve that in next test. Correct? Yes. Now let's see. Question number 5. A star B means B is at 1 meter to the left of A. A at the rate B means B is at 1 meter to the south of A. Correct. Let's see. According to this. What is this? X at the rate B. A at the rate B means B is at 1 meter to the south of B. B is this much, means this much. B is at 1 meter to the south of A. X is my A. South of X is this much. This is B. And this is 1 meter distance. And B star P means, A star B means B is at 1 meter to the left of A. This is my second one. Correct? Now, means P is at 1 meter to the left of B. Now, what is the left? This is right, this is left. Now, this is left and 1 meter to this. 1 meter to this, and this is what? This is my P. Okay. P is in which direction with respect to X? With respect to X, which is this direction? So, this is north, this is south, this is east, This is west. This is which direction? This is southwest. Correct? Very important. This is southwest. Understanding these things are very important. Most of the students do the mistake while understanding. Okay. And you don't have to do these mistakes. Correct? Yes. Then only you will be in the toppers list. Correct? See, there is only one difference between the normal candidate and a topper. A topper understands the things very nicely. Okay. You have to avoid the silly mistakes. Correct? Yes. So let's see. This is not the way we should solve the questions. We should eliminate the options. No, no, no. So this is the only answer. Very important. Okay. Yes. See, be very careful. These things happen and it literally destroys. Here also only one option. Correct? D. Yeah, there also one option. But you have to check all the options. See, here there were two options. Okay. Yes. Here also two options. Be very careful, my dear friends. Now let's see this question. Direction to solve next two questions. Each of the following questions is based on the following information. So there is some information and the next two questions will be based on this information. Let's try these questions. 6 flats on a floor. So there is a floor. On this floor, there are 6 flats in 2 rows. In 2 rows. Row 1, row 2. Facing north. So this row is facing north and this row is facing south. Are allotted to P, Q, R, S, T, and U. Correct? So 6 flats on a floor in 2 rows facing north and south are allotted. So there are 6 flats, but I don't know what is how many flats are in row 1 and row 2. Let me take it 4 and 2 and I will understand in the next. Q gets a north facing flat. So Q is in north facing flat and is not next to S. Okay. S and U gets diagonally opposite flats. So S and U are opposite. Opposite means to say one of S and U is in north and one is in south facing. And these are opposite, diagonally opposite. Like if one is here, other is diagonally opposite here. Correct? Yes. S and U gets diagonally opposite flats. And Q gets a north facing flat. Q is a north facing flat, which is not next to S. Next to S. This is not Q. So Q can be here or here. R next to U. So R gets a south facing flat, which is next to U. Correct? And T gets north facing flat. So T is having a north facing flat. Okay. So I still don't know what is the frequency. Correct? Now this will be what? So this will be my P only. P is left. Now let's see. I am assuming 4, 2. Maybe I will get to know in the further. Let's see. So this is the information I interpreted here. Now, if the flats of P and T are interchanged. So this P and T are interchanged. Okay, this is T, this is P. Then whose flat will be next to that of U? This is U. Whose flat is next to U? R. This is the independent R. So R is an option. Same as before. No. Yeah, it is same as before. Earlier also R was next to U. Now also. Yes, this is option. R, this is option. No. So this is how you should understand. Okay. After interchanging also, the answer is same before also. Correct? Yes. Now let's see. Which of the following combination gets south facing flats? Oh, ma'am, here the option is 3. But according to me, I took 4, 2. 4 in this and 2 in this. I should try with 3 in this, 3 in this. 3 in row 1 facing north and 3 in this one facing south. Let me try. 6 flats. Q gets a north facing flat. Yeah. S and U gets opposite, directly opposite. Here also or here. S and U gets diagonally opposite flats. So Q gets a north facing flat and is not next. North next. So this is Q. R next to U gets a south facing flat and T gets a north facing flat. So this is P. Correct? Now, which of the following combination gets south facing flats? South facing flats. PRU. PRU. Is this combination exist? Q to S? No. UPT? No. URP. This is the answer. Data again? No. Data, I am getting the answer. Very important. Yes, very important. These things are very important. See, after interchanging and before interchanging, answer is same here. So it is same. Okay? Yes. I hope you are understanding. It's very important to understand the question. See, when I was preparing for GATE, remember, when you are preparing, the journey is very in tension. What will happen if I'm not able to do this? But when you get that topper's rank, that under 100 rank, the life changed drastically. Okay, so it's literally worth. Okay, I will tell you one thing. When I was preparing, okay, I used to get a lot of doubts, and it's very important to solve each and every doubt. You can think this is a silly doubt. Should I ask or not? But my dear friend, you should ask every doubt. At the end, you want a top rank. So ask each and every doubt. Very important. Okay? Yes. Look at this series. 664, 332, 340, 170. Let's see. Let's try to find the pattern. Let's try to find out the pattern. Let's try to find out pattern. Okay, yes. What number should fill the blank? What should come here? Let's see. So this is divided by 2. And this is plus 18. This is divided by 2. Correct? This is divided by 2. Yes. I don't know here. It should be plus something. But this should be divided by 2. So if I'm going in this direction, this is divided. If I'm going in this direction, this is multiplied by 2. Let's try. 89 cross 2. So this is 178. Yes. And this is adding plus 8. Something is going in addition. Oh, wait. This is also plus 8 only. This is plus 8. 332 plus 8 is 340. So this is matching. So this pattern is matching. Let me try once more. Let me clear this once more. Give me a second. Okay. See, these things are very important. And please be very careful. I know you can do it. You will definitely do it. Clear every doubt. So if I'm going in this direction, 664, 332, this is divided by 2. And this is addition of how much? 8. And this is divided by 2. This is addition of how much? This should be addition of 8 as per the pattern, plus 8. And this should be divided by 2. Plus 8 is 178. Divided by 2 is 2 8 is 69. So this is satisfying. Is this 178 an option? Yes. No. So this is my answer. Correct? This is how you should solve the questions. By elimination and picking the option. Very important. Correct? Yes. Now let's try to find out the pattern here. B2CD. Okay, what should be here? I don't know. BCD4. B5CD. There's a difference of 1, like 2. Something should be here 4, 5, 6. Okay, yeah. So here should be 3. Okay, in the power. Now let's see. First it is with B, then with D, then again with B, then C. So isn't it cyclic order? B, power of B, 2, B2CD. Then with the C, power will be 3, B3C. Then it will be B, C power will be 4 and with the D. And then B5CD. Correct, it is like this. So is this an option B, C, 3D? Yes. No. So this is how you should solve. Be very, very careful. Analyze the pattern. Find out the pattern and just tick the answer. Eliminate the option is very important. Okay, yes. Now let's see our 10th question. See here, this E is facing east, and this is facing east, and this is facing south. Here all are facing south. Here this is facing east and this is facing north. So this is following this pattern. If I will say this should face north, all should face north. So answer should be this. This is we are analyzing the pattern. 1, 2, 3. Yes, no. Be very, very careful. You have to analyze the pattern, how the things are happening. Okay. Yes. Very, very careful about this thing. These things are very important. Okay. Yes. Now let's do our 11th question. Okay. 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 Now this is opposite and this is there. If I will draw the mirror image of this, let me try to find out. Just a second. Just give me a second. Just a second. Yeah. So if I draw the mirror image, because I want this should be up. Okay. Now, if I draw, this is the water image. Or mirror is horizontal. Now the mirror is vertical like this. So this is like this. This should be like this. Is this an option? No. 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 Yes, this matches. So this is how you should think. Here it is like this. I have to get this. So that's why I did this mirror image in this direction. And then I want it should be first. So this is like mirror image. I did like this. Okay. You have to observe the pattern. Okay. So our option is not 1, 4. Yes. Very important. Okay. These things are very important. Please be very careful. Okay. These things really matter. Okay. Let's see. Blueberries cost more than strawberries. So blueberries cost more than strawberries. Blueberries cost less than raspberries. And blueberries are, so it can be written as raspberries cost more than blueberries. So raspberry cost more than blueberries. Okay. Raspberries cost more than strawberries and blueberries by 100. Okay. If the first two statements are true, this is true. And this is forming this relation. The third statement is, now this is very important question. See, raspberries cost more than strawberries and blueberries by 100. See, raspberries cost more than blueberries and strawberries, but I don't know by how much price. Okay. I can't say this certainly. The price can vary also. It can be 50, it can be 100, it can be 200, anything can happen. So I can't say this surely. I can't say this surely. I can't say this is true or false. So this is uncertain. Okay. Uncertain. I don't know whether it is true or not. Okay. Yes. These things are very important. Okay. Yeah. You should think like this. You should find the option with respect to the given information only. Okay. Yeah. Now let's see this. A fruit basket. So there is a fruit basket contain more apples than lemons. Correct? There are more lemons in the basket than there are oranges. And there are lemons are more than oranges. The basket contains more apples than lychees. Okay, let's see what I have to find. If the first two statements are true, the third statement is, in the first two statement, they have not said anything about lychees. So I can't predict this. I can't predict this because in the first two statements, there is no Since no information about leeches. So I can't predict. Okay. So I can't predict. Means this is uncertain. Correct. Not true, not false. I can't say because there is no information about leeches. Yeah, very important, this type of questions. Okay. Students mostly get confused or they hit the wrong answer. So please be very careful. Correct? Yes. You have to solve this question based on the information given only. Be very clear about this. Yeah. Now let's see this question. Direction to solve next three questions. Okay. Read the passage below. Read the below passage carefully and answer the questions. At a small company, parking spaces are reserved for the top executives. CEO, president, vice president, secretary, and treasurer, with the spaces lined up in that order. What do you understand with this? So spaces are reserved for these 5 people, and those spaces are in the same order. Means first space will be for CEO, second will be for president, third will be for vice president, fourth for secretary, and fifth for treasurer. So 5 spaces. First for CEO, second for president, because they have said with the spaces lined up in that order, this order only. Very important. Okay. President, vice president, secretary, and treasurer. Okay. The parking lot guard can tell at a glance if the cars are parked correctly by looking at the color of the cars. The cars are yellow, green, purple, red, and blue, and these executive names are this much. Okay. The car in the first space, let me start from here. The car in the first space is red. So this is red car. A blue car is parked between the red car and the green car. This is red car. I can't go here. So I have to go here. So a blue car is parked between the red car and the green car. So this should be green. And between this, there is a blue car. Correct? Yes. The car in the last space, this one, is purple. So this is purple. Which color left? Yellow. So this is yellow. Correct? Yes. The secretary drives a yellow car. So this is the car of the secretary. Yes. Alice's car is parked next to David's. Okay. I don't know about anything about Alice and David. So let's go to next. Enid drives a green car. So this is by Enid. Bert's car is parked between Cheryl and Enid. Okay. Just a second. Bert's car is parked between Cheryl and Enid. This is Enid. Okay. And Bert's car is parked. Bert can be here also or here also. I don't know. Now, what is written here? It is like, I will make it clear also. David is at the last space. So this is David. Okay. This is this. It is not properly visible. I will make it. Now, let's see. Alice's car is parked next to David. Now, David. Next, this in this direction, I can't move. So this. So this is Alice. Now, Bert's car is parked between Cheryl and Enid. This is Enid. Bert's car is parked between Cheryl and Enid. Enid. In this direction, Cheryl can't be. So this is Cheryl. And Bert's car is between. So this is the information from this. Correct? Yes. Now let's see the questions. Who is the secretary? This is secretary, Alice. Alice is the secretary. Correct. Once you are able to understand, the answering questions is very easy. Who is the CEO? Cheryl. Not this, not this, not this, not this. Elimination of options is very important. Which color is the vice president's car? Vice president is this much, green color. Not yellow, not this. Okay, very important. Okay, once you are able to understand, these things are easy. Correct? Yes. Now, let's see this question. So this is the statement. You are hereby appointed as a programmer. Okay. You are appointed. You are hereby appointed as a programmer with a probation period of 1 year, and your performance will be reviewed at the end of the period for confirmation. Correct? A line is an appointment letter. Assumptions. The performance of an individual journal is not known at the time of the appointment letter. Correct. There is a test. Now, after the test, you have to work in a company with the company's rules and regulations and company's demands. So your performance according to that is not known. Correct. Generally, an individual tries to prove his worth in the probation period. In this probation period, a candidate wants the job. So he will try his best. Correct. So this is also true. This is also true. So both are true. Only assumption one is implicit. No. Only assumption two. No. Either. Not either. Either means either one or two. No. Neither. No. Both. Yes. Both are implicit. So this is the answer. Okay. In these questions, be very careful. Most students do the mistakes in this question. Okay. Yes. I'm trying to give you all kind of variety of questions. Okay. Yes. Now, question number 18. Let's see. Statement. It is desirable to put the child in school at the age of 5 or so. Okay. Yes. Just give me a second. Now you must be understanding what is the importance of these steps, right? See, this kind of thing can happen in the exam also. Anything can happen. That's why I'm trying to make you aware of these things. Okay. Now let's try this question. Question number 18. Statement. It is desirable to put the child in school at the age of 5 or so. This is statement. What can be the assumptions? At that age, the child reaches appropriate level of development and is ready to learn. Yeah, this is implicit. That's why at the age of 5 only, we are sending the children, not at the age of 1, 2, 3, 4. The schools don't admit children after 6 years of age. Here, nothing is written about the school and all, admission and all. So this is not implicit. Because see, some children get admitted in the later also. This is not correct. So only assumption one is implicit. Yes. Assumption two, no. Either, no. Neither, no. Both, no. So this is the answer. Here, most of the people will do the mistakes because they are not able to assume properly, get the assumptions based on the statement. So be very careful. These things can literally hurt if you're not able to do it properly. Okay. So be very careful, my dear friends. Now, let's see this statement. A large number of people in Ward X of the city are diagnosed to be suffering from the fatal malaria type. Courses of action. So what should be done? The city municipal authority should take immediate steps to carry out extensive fumigation in Ward X. Means that spray and all against that malaria mosquito should be there. Correct. The people in the area should be advised to take steps. Correct. Prevention is important, and prevention should be from the person side also and from the government side also. So this is also correct. This is also correct. Both are correct. Only one follows. No. No. Either. No. Neither. No. So answer should be both follows. Answer should be both follows. Both should be answered. Both should be answered. Right. So answer should be both follows. I guess I missed this option, or there should be no option here. Okay. I will check it. But in this answer will be both. Okay. What is the statement? Let's see. Just a second. Yeah, see, option is there. Option E is there. But I'm not able to project it. Okay. So answer here is E. E, which is both. Correct? Yes. Now, severe drought is reported to have set in several parts of the country. So, in these several parts of the country, there is a severe drought. Courses of action. Government should immediately take arrangement for providing financial assistance to those affected. Food, water, and fodder should immediately be sent to those areas. See, in these cases of drought, what government's responsibility is to provide the general things like food, fodder. Financial assistance, government may or may not be. Because through these things, through providing the food, water, also government is investing. So in these cases, this is not that important. This is must. So most of the government provides only these basic things, not financial assistance. That depends from government to government also, but this is very general. Everyone provides. You have to be very careful here. Even if you will check that cloud burst in Kedarnath that happens, government has provided this. Financial assistance, not much. Okay. So the answer here is only one no, only two. Okay. Yes. In this case, you have to be very careful. Correct? Yes. Yeah. Question 21. Let's see this. Statements. In a one-day cricket match. So there is a one-day cricket match. Okay. In a one-day cricket match, the total runs made by a team were 200. Total runs were 200. Out of these, 160 runs were made by spinners. Okay. Conclusions. 80% of the team consists of spinners. 160 upon 200 is 80% of 200. But this doesn't mean that the 80% are spinners. There can be only 5 spinners also who are playing, who are making 160 runs. There can be 2 spinners also. So this is not correct. The opening batsmen were spinners. There is no mention about this in the question. So this is not correct. See, we have to find out the conclusions based on the statement only. So no, 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 neither follows. Correct? Very important. This is very important. You have to answer the conclusion based on the above statement only. Very, very important. Okay? Yes. Now, let's see. The prices of petrol and diesel in the domestic market have remained unchanged for the past few months. Okay, this is statement 1. The crude oil prices in the international market have gone up substantially in the last few months. Okay, so there's two statements. First, it is telling about the petrol and prices, petrol and diesel prices in the domestic market. And second is telling about the crude oil prices in the international market. And I don't think so there is a relation between these both. Okay, let's try. Statement 1 is the cause and the statement 2 is its effect. No. There is no relation between them. Statement 2 is the cause and statement 2 is the effect. No. Both the statement 1 and 2 are independent causes. Is this a cause? This prices has remained unchanged. This is causing something. Actually, this seems to be the result of something. Means there was no inflation or this was good year, so the prices are remain unchanged. So this is a conclusion for something, correct? This is not a cause. This is a call. This is a result of something. Both these statements 1 and 2 are the effects of independent causes. Now these two statements are independent. And these are not causing anything. This is also an effect and this is also effect. Okay. In international market, the market can be somewhat unstable. That's why the prices are high. Okay. So these, I guess this should be correct. This seems to be correct. These are effects of the independent causes because there is no relation between them. Okay. Both the statements are effects of some common. No, these are independent because there is no relation between them. Correct? Yes. This is very important. These type of questions are very important and most of the people can do mistakes here. But you don't have to do mistake. You have to learn, correct? Yes. Let's see. All bags are cakes. So this is a big cake. And here all the bags are cakes. All lamps are cakes. Now here there are 4 cases. This one. This one. Bag, lamp, cake. Or this one. Bag, sorry. Cake, bag, lamp. Or this one. Cake, lamp, bag. 4 cases are there. Conclusions. Some lamps are bags. Conclusion 1, no. Some lamps are bags. Conclusion 1, yes. Some lamps are bags. Some means all also in between. Yes. No lamp, some lamps are bags. Yes. Conclusion 2. No lamp is bag. Yes. No. 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 So what you can see? In all the 4 cases, either conclusion 2 is right, 2 is right, or conclusion 1 is right. Only conclusion 1 follows? No. No. Either. Either 1 or 2 is true. This is answer. Correct? Yes. You have to be very, very careful in these questions. These are very good questions. Okay? Yes. Now, let's see. Question number 24. All mangoes are golden color. So these are mangoes. This is golden color. All mangoes are golden in color. No golden color things are cheap. So these are golden colored things and no golden colored things are cheap. Correct? All mangoes are cheap. Mangoes are golden colored, and no golden colored things are cheap. So mangoes are not cheap. Golden colored mangoes are not cheap. This seems to be correct. Mangoes are golden colored, which are not cheap. This is correct. Only conclusion 1? No. Conclusion 2? Yes. No, no, no. Correct? Yes. I hope you are able to understand this, how to do the question. Okay. Let's see. Some kings are queens. So this is kings. Out of this, some kings are queens. All queens are beautiful. This is the Venn diagram. All kings are beautiful. No. Here the kings are there which are not beautiful. All queens are kings. All queens are kings. No. This is a queen which is not a king. So this is also wrong. No, no, no. This is correct. Okay. So be very careful with these questions. You have to use your mind. You have to check all the options. See, these questions are now not that much difficult, but you have to learn a lot of things. Means you have to analyze each and every option. Very important. Okay. The main purpose, this is a test 1, which I kept easy, on an easier side. Because my basic purpose, my main motive, so that you can understand these things. Eliminate every option. You can make it into your daily routine. Eliminate every options. Okay. Check every option. And then get to this conclusion. These things are very important. These are called elimination of options. This literally helps if you're following in a proper way. Okay. Yes. So all the very best and you will get your results soon. Okay. Always think for improving. Okay. Don't be happy. Don't be sad. Think how I can improve and get a top rank. This should be your dream. Okay. Yes. Think for your dream. IIT, IISc, PSUs. That's so nice. Correct? Yes. That's literally nice. I will say. Okay. So all the very best, and we will meet soon.